Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite breakfast recipes. This is the quick and easy corned beef hash. Let's get started. So we're going to need a can of corned beef, around 3 potatoes, half of a yellow onion, a couple of red chilies, and around 2 to 3 eggs. So what you're going to do is dice up the potatoes as well as the onions and slice the red chilies. Let's start by drizzling some oil over a hot pan, and we're gonna add in our diced onions first, followed by our diced potatoes. Now as an alternative, you guys can also use some hash browns and break it up instead of dicing up some potatoes. We're going to allow our potatoes to brown a little bit, just giving a couple of stirs before we start adding some seasonings. Just add some dashes of black pepper, followed by some garlic powder, and last but not least, some paprika to spice it up. I'm also adding a couple of dashes of salt to taste. So guys, once it's ready, we're gonna dish it out and set it aside, and moving on. Now using back our same pan, we're gonna drizzle some oil and add in our sliced chili, a couple of stirs, and it's time to add in our canned corned beef. Now this is gonna need a bit of work. You just need to break up the lumps within the corned beef and just fry it through thoroughly. It's time to add in the potatoes that we set aside earlier, and we're just gonna make sure it's well mixed throughout. Now it's time to make 2 wells, and what we're going to do here is pour in our eggs into these wells. We're going to leave the eggs to cook for a while, and we're going to focus on just the egg whites to be cooked because we want the yolks to be runny. Now it's best to use a non-stick pan for this recipe, so once it's done, you can just slide it onto the plate. I hope you guys give this breakfast recipe a try, and you guys can have it alongside some toast. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Instagram at Perfect Eats for more easy breezy recipes. Bye guys!